The most pleasant sound you can hear is the sound of production. Kirtex metal. In the early hours of the morning, our voice begins to be heard until the end of the day. It is not only the sound of metal what you hear. By means of our attitude towards life and our style, our efforts and contributions to life, we also call out to the world in the course of production. Then we melt all these harmonious sounds in a pot and reflect to you as Kirtex metal. The world is a steel teapot for us. The world is a steel pot for us. The world is the very same as a non-stick pot for us. And the world is amethyst, our last wonder. That is, the summit of the cast pots. In Kahramanmaraş, the favorite city of the metal kitchenware industry, at our 25,000 square meter production base, equipped with the latest technology and with our quarter of a century of experience, we have been producing for the world. Within our plant, we produce our handles, which are used in our product, and develop models that inspire the sector. Also within our plant, we produce the molds for our products at the full automation CNC machines. At our fully integrated plant, where 5 different production lines work here at this very summit, we insert Industry 4.0 and Code of Ethics principles into the heart of our production. We do not only produce for the world, we are also proud to be the main supplier of the world brands and even to their production brand. Our teapots, which at least once have visited every family in Turkey, are produced exactly here. More than 50 processes mixed with expertise, care and love are being carried out right here. Boutiqueness is in our spirit. The fashion of pots is produced right here. We have been inspired by nature. We have designed each product once more. From the handle to the packaging, the perfection in detail is our job. We are determined to develop this business. We continue to invest in innovation without slowing down. Here is our last series that go beyond the ordinary and become the jewel of the kitchens. Amethyst. High quality control at every stage of production, to include final process and laboratory, is a tradition of Kirtex metal. When we conclude a hectic day mixed with sweat, we like to be silent and start to think. How many places of the world have we entered? How many families? How many hearts? How many happy dinner tables have we set? How many people have we gathered around them? We would look at their faces and try to see the results of our efforts, so our tiredness would be replaced with a sweet peace and we would take pride in producing. Listen to the voice. Kirtex Metal.